Guys, it feels almost like a joke when we see people around us saying that we don't have time for ourselves. And I see this continuously in the working world, in the corporate environment, where people, they just don't give time for themselves. They have time for doing all sorts of things, partying and enjoying their comforts, but they are not willing to work upon themselves. And for this reason, they are having difficult lives. They might be their personal lives back at home with their wives, with their children, and they have difficult lives outside as well, because they have forgotten the importance of having a good mind and a good body. And because of that, they're not able to, and they don't even realize that they're not giving their best to their families and to the people around them. So it's the lack of motivation and it's the lack of desire which they are having at that point, and this is what is keeping them behind, which they don't realize. So for that one thing, they need to make sure that, including me, at times I also lack motivation. So I try to be with people who are more motivated in the sense that they are doing much more, be it at the gym, be it at the workplace. They have a way of doing things, and when they are doing things, they are completely focused upon that one thing, and they tend to complete that thing, which is not the case with us. Most of the times we tend to hook on to something, and in a matter of days or hours or minutes, we are onto something else. We don't give time to things, and as a result, we don't have those small victories which can lead to bigger victories, like having a physical body change, or having a change of mindset, having a mindset where we are helping out others, where we are completing our own tasks, where we are developing our skills. So being in the company of people who really are making a difference, who really are making some sort of an impact in their daily lives, is very important. That is how we will get the motivation to really better ourselves and do things which do make a difference and can improve our personal lives and professional lives as well. We will have a different perspective. What happens is, most of the people, because they are not seeing other people who are doing well, or who are giving time constructively to the things which they need to, and so they don't even know the perspective, the kind of things that can happen if they really put their mind to something. So yeah, try to manage your time in a good way, because there is a way, and just look at the people around you to find a bigger perspective. Thanks for watching the video.